Namaste. I am Dr. Joby George, Senior Ayurveda Consultant at Ishka Healthcare, Bangalore. Today I am talking on headaches. This also is very common nowadays. And what do? Just pop a pill to get the symptoms reduced. But is that the solution? No. Because we need to know what is mainly causing these headaches. What is the reason to know and to remove it from the root. Unless you know what is causing it, you will unnecessarily take some pills, some painkillers and let it go. But it will again keep surfacing again and again. Usually for headaches, there are many reasons. As in Ayurveda, we say Vatika, Paitika, Kaphaja, and also a combination of these. So let's consider one by one. One, if we talk about Kaphaja, it is more of cold and sinusitic related problems. So you get more of congestion in the nose, the head, and so you get a headache. Then we have migraine headaches, which is also very common, and it is mostly due to stress. If you try to chart your food timing, your sleep timing, you will get to know that there is more of pitta aggravation or hyperacidity, which in turn leads to a headache or causing more of vata in the head. So what happens is when we are not eating in time. I remember one patient had called me saying that she gets very frequent headaches, and when I took the history, it's like between two meals there was almost 7 hours difference. So nowadays girls and young people out of for fitness and trying to be slim, they try to avoid food or they eat less than what their body requires or less than what the Agni demands. So because of this also acidity develops and it triggers the headache. So you have to first remove that acidity or calm down the acidity first to get a better relief. Then we have stress headaches due to tension, due to work overload, too much of multi-thinking. All these things also trigger headaches. There are other complicated cases also, like we say Surya Varta, because of the upcoming of the sun, the headache increases, and as the sun goes down, the headache decreases. These are all complicated cases. Also there are various other tumors and we can say the facial nerves which can trigger such type of headaches. Also headaches can be due to any toothache or any eye problem, ear problem. So that is why I said that we need to know the root cause. Also in a simple case of gas formation, of constipation also, we see that people get headaches. Now simple medications I can tell you, like suppose you have a full congestion in the head, in the nose, you can take steam, you can apply ginger juice just over your forehead, it gives a temporary relief. And if you are having hyperacidity, you can take maybe a little sugar candy or something sweet that can settle down your acidity. Also if you are having any gas trouble or mostly in migraine cases where there is vomiting sensation, nausea, and you are totally down, not able to do anything, those cases you can have a strong concentrated ginger juice, that also helps. But these are also just a temporary relief. In Ishka we have a lot of treatments like Nasyam, Shirodhara, we give detox like Virechana and all that, which help to give a permanent solution. We try to chalk out your daily routines, your lifestyle, we try to correct them so that these headaches don't come back again and again. Also sleep is very important. Please make sure that you sleep in time and get up in time. Sometimes sleep deprived also makes you get headaches. So if you have any such problems or in the family, you can always consult with us. Do share this video so that more people know about it and understand it.